It was a rainy night. We took a taxi to your mother's home. She went to Florida and left you with your father's gun alone. Upon your small white bed I fell into a dream. You sat up all the night and watched me to see who in the world I might be. I'm from the Sunday school. I sing soprano in the upstairs choir. You are a holy man at the FM radio. I sat up all the night and watched thee to see who in the world you might be. You called me beautiful. You called your mother. She was very tame. So you packed your tent and went to live out in the Arizona sand. You are a refugee from a wealthy family. You gave up all the golden factories to see who in the world you might be. To see who in the world you